Did you know that most dash cams miss crucial details at night or fail to capture both the front and rear clearly? Imagine having a system that keeps an eye on your car from every angle, day or night, without drawing attention. Welcome to Autovated. Today, we're breaking down the Vantrue S1 Pro Dual Dashcam Bundle with its optional CPL filter, a 2.7K front and 1080p rear camera setup designed to give you complete coverage and peace of mind on the road. I've gone through expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and comparisons to bring you the full picture. The Vantrue S1 Pro records simultaneously at 1944p front and 1080p rear, using an advanced Novatek chip. With a 160-degree wide-angle view, it captures multiple lanes without stretching images, helping ensure that license plates, street signs, and other critical details are clearly recorded. The optional CPL filter reduces glare and reflections, giving a sharper visual experience in bright conditions. Infrared night vision with 4 interior LED lights allows accurate driver and passenger capture in low light, while WDR, HDR, and upgraded STARVIS technology automatically balance light and dark areas for crisp night footage. This makes it particularly suitable for rideshare drivers, taxis, or family use. The design is discreet, compact, and easy to install behind your rearview mirror, reducing attention from thieves. The front camera rotates nearly 36 degrees in multiple directions, adapting to different car models for optimal positioning. The detachable 3M adhesive mount allows for quick transfer between vehicles without damaging glass. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS integrate seamlessly with the free Vantrue app, letting you preview live footage, customize settings, playback, update firmware, download videos, and even share on social media, all without subscriptions. The GPS accurately logs your route, speed, and time, viewable on Google Maps via the app. Hands-free voice control allows you to operate the camera safely while driving, and the optional emergency button locks important footage instantly. Pros: the dual 2.7K 1080p setup ensures high-resolution coverage front and rear, infrared night vision captures interior activity, the CPL filter minimizes glare, discreet design preserves cabin aesthetics, and the Vantrue app offers convenient remote operation. Cons: some users report a learning curve with the app interface, and advanced features like GPS and emergency button require optional modules. Compared to competitors like the Rexing V3 or ThinkWare F800, the Vantrue S1 Pro offers superior night vision performance and a more compact, hidden design. While the Rexing V3 offers slightly higher rear resolution, it lacks STARVIS technology for night clarity, and the F800's GPS module often requires a paid subscription, giving the S1 Pro a strong edge for both rideshare drivers and daily commuters. The build is solid with durable materials for the camera housing and mount. While long-term reliability is still being observed, Vantrue has a strong track record for producing dependable dash cams. Customer support is widely reported as responsive and helpful based on user feedback, especially for setup and firmware updates. This bundle is best for daily drivers, rideshare operators, and families who value clear front and rear coverage, superior night vision, and hands-free convenience. Less ideal for performance car enthusiasts who prioritize ultra-wide field of view or 4K recording. Verdict: if you value comprehensive coverage, night clarity, and discreet design, the Vantrue S1 Pro is one of the stronger choices in its class. For tighter budgets, consider the standard Vantrue N4S or similar dual-channel options, though you may sacrifice night performance. If this breakdown is helping you navigate the world of dashcams, give us a quick like and subscribe. Stay ahead on Autovated, where we steer you straight to the smartest automotive tech. Thanks for watching. The link to get this bundle is in the comments and description. Have questions or experience with the S1 Pro? Drop a comment below and share your road stories. Until next time, keep your drives smart and your cameras smarter. Autovated out.